Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up the React on your PC. I'm using the Windows, so whatever operating system you are using, so just follow this step. So React is very famous nowadays. It is JavaScript library for building user interfaces based on component. So first of all, open your browser and enter node.js, okay, and download. Click on the download, and this is the official site. Whatever operating system you are using, go inside the required one. I am using the Windows, so I click on the Windows and the downloading process is started. So when the downloading will complete, then I will show you how you can install this. So the downloading is completed. So now click on install, and by default I'm just clicking on the next. You can also customize this, okay. So on by default setting I'm installing it. It will take some time for installation. The installation is completed, okay. Click on the finish. So the installation is completed. So now basically open the CMD, that is command line interfaces in Windows. Now we install the create react app package for basically creating the React application, okay. So for this npm install -g and then create react app, click on enter. It will take some time for installation of this package, that is create react app. So in future we will create through this command create react app package, we will create the React applications. Now we will move toward the installation of code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. So enter inside your browser Visual Studio Code, and this is the official site, and from here you can download it, okay. So in the next I will show it to you the necessary package that makes our coding easy. So inside the Visual Studio, go to extensions and here write the simple React snippets. Click on this and click on install for install this package. So this is the install button, click on this, and the second package which we need, that is the Prettier. Click on the first one, okay, that is Prettier code formatter, and click on the install button of this Prettier code formatter in order to install this package. After that, restart your Visual Studio Code. So now we will move toward to create the first React application, Hello World. So to create a React application, we will create the React application through the command line interface, okay. So basically inside this folder I want to create a new React application. So therefore by just clicking on here CMD, okay, it basically goes and open specific inside that specific directory. You can either open the CMD by here in start button and pressing CMD, and then move to the required folder where you want to create a new application, okay. So we will create a React application through that package, that is create react and app, and after that make the write the name of the folder of the your project. For example, our project is Hello World. Press enter, and here you can see that the creating of React app, the process is started. It will take some time. It will basically create and download all the necessary packages for the React application. So let the installation be completed, and after that we will launch the first React application. So the React application is successfully installed. So now we will move towards the React application file, okay, that is basically here this one, okay, and inside this basically this is the project of React that is created, okay. So first of all we will move toward this file. So now I will show it to you how you can launch your first React application. So go inside that specific folder, your basically React project, that is Hello World, and now here write npm start. Press enter, and it will basically allow some access. You will allow some access, and it will open in a new tab a new React application. Here you can see that this React logo is showing. It means that everything is successfully installed, and now you will start your learning in the React application.
This is one of our demo project. We have a dedicated team in web developing, charts, data analysis, dashboard developing, and many more, including mobile developing. So if you want any similar or different work, so in the video description click on show more, and inside this is the contact or order link. Click on this, and inside this link fill your criteria like first name, your email, that is mandatory. You will be contacted on this email address, okay, which you provide, your query messages, or you can attach any file including png or zip or anything, okay, and click on the send, click to send, okay. Your message will be sent and you will further contacted on your email.
So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And if you have any question, you can ask your questions in video comment section. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.